Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Pay attention. I want to show you a video. After you're done watching the video, I want you to go ahead and do exactly what you see in the video. I hope you get the memo, right? Just bear with me real quick. Once I show you the video, get up, go ahead and do exactly what you see in the video. All right, check it out. Here's the video. As you can see, these people are in the airplane. It's Salat time, no excuses. They are praying Salah in Jama'ah on the airplane. How beautiful is that? Jama'ah on the airplane. So now get up,